There's a very big history of Shaolin. First monk was Bato. That's why the temple was built, so he could translate some scriptures for the king. And second was Putidamo. He started the Shaolin culture. That's how the history, the roots of Shaolin started. It comes from India. It is very sad for me to see that in India there's no Shaolin culture. Shaolin culture can be defined by the three basic principles of Chan, Wu, Yi. Chan as in train, Wu as in Wushu, that is Kung Fu training, Yi as in medicine. So these are the three pillars of Shaolin temple, the Shaolin culture. First, when I came here, I learned the 5 basic postures: Mabu, Gumbu, Pobu, Shubu, Xiebu. These 5 basic stances comprises of Shaolin Kung Fu, be it in fist forms, be it in weapon forms. Wushu is like this, you keep on training over and over again till the time, even if you start training difficult things, you have to keep on doing the basics every day, even though you're training difficult things. That is what Wushu is. The main thing that we learned was the fist forms and the weapons. The basic weapon of Shaolin is the Shaolin Gun. That is a Shaolin staff. So if you train this weapon really well, your wrist gets opened and you know exactly how your wrist moves, because after that, other weapons that you want to learn, be it a sword, be it any other weapon, be it a spear, be it a dagger, anything, your wrist has to be really smooth in order to, rotate the weapons clearly. Learn the culture, learn the history, the meaning of every movement. There are meaning of every movement, how to apply the movement, where to apply it. This is what Kung Fu is. If you don't know the history, if you don't go in depth of this, you will never know if you're doing it right. I was just going day by day, step by step. There's a very big saying by Buddha: don't dwell in the past, don't think about the future, be in the present. And that's what I did. A person who does cooking every day, that is his Kung Fu. A person who cleans the floor every day, that is his Kung Fu. Kung Fu has a very deep meaning. A person who specializes in one art, that is his Kung Fu. This is useful to every person on this planet. Whoever is specialized in what they do, in particular art or any particular skill that they do, this is their Kung Fu. I'm training every day, I'm learning culture, and I'm repeating this every day over and over and over again. This is helping me to improve my skills. When the time is right, I can take this to India, give it to people, spread the knowledge. Because in Buddhism, we say to spread knowledge, give knowledge.
Liu He 又称内三合和外三合。外三合有手有足，脚有细，肩有胯；内三合有心有意，意有气，气有离合。这个是少林功法的意思。